Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, what I want to do is I want to give you a status update on Traffic Blaster Pro, which is a basically an autopilot, auto commission spitting system, right? It's a way that you can get traffic to your any offer, right? And also generate commissions. Now, I want to give you a status update. Like I said, I've been promoting it from since February, I think February 28th. You know, time flies for me, but I've been promoting it since February 28th. And it's now March 31st. You know, it's a little over a month. And I want to show you some results of what I've been able to do. And how I got these results is real simple. But first, let me tell you that if I can do this, you can do this. And why do I say that? Well, I've only been online and marketing online since, I don't even want to count 2018, but that's when I started. 2018, and I fumbled around trying to figure out what was going on. Overcomplicating things, right? And then I got around the right people in the right circles, you know, and thank God I wasn't spending thousands of dollars trying to figure out how to do it, right? I just happened to get with the right people, and I started watching them, listening to them, talking to them, and they told me little nuggets, and I just started implementing it. I found out that I was overcomplicating everything. The simple formula, trust me, is getting traffic sent to your capture page, whether it's free, organic, social media, to your capture page, building a list, right? Sending them to your offer, then following up with email and repeat, you know? So it doesn't matter what offer you have, you follow that simple system, you can have success. Now, it may take time depending on what offer, but you can do it. I've done it, and I work full time, right? I work like 12 hours a day, right? And then I put my autopilot systems in place and I can start doing things that I need to do. I get online, do a couple posts and disappear. You know what I mean? Like, then I pop back up, spin a plate or two, keep it spinning, and disappear again, right? Go on with my life. But I work 12 hours a day, but I'm still able to generate income, right? And why? Because I followed a simple formula and I don't make excuses of why I cannot do anything. I don't make excuses of how much a product may cost. $7 one time, what? That's nothing if you can generate hundreds of dollars, right? $10 one time, what? If you can generate thousands of dollars, right? Another opportunity, those are other two opportunities I have. A $10 opportunity, I have $7 opportunity, and this opportunity, which I'm gonna show you, is you can try it for 7 days for $1. What? And promote it and make hundreds of dollars. And that's what I'm going to show you. Like I said, if I can do this, you can too. I'm nobody special. I do this part-time. And if I can do this part-time, believe me, you can do it. Oh yeah, get a YouTube channel. But anyway, without further ado, I'm going to just show you a little bit about the Traffic Blaster Pro platform, and then to show you some results by logging in to my Warrior Plus account and show you what I've been able to do in a little over a month. Okay, so anyway, let's go right in here. This is the Traffic Blaster Pro page that you'll see by clicking the link below, right? So like I said, you can try it for $1, $1, can't beat it, right? For 7 days, right? You can start driving traffic to your offer. Now, this is a unique system because not only do you get 100% business opportunity seeker leads to your website, it also is a source of traffic for any opportunity that you may have. My one tip is, you know, get a unique capture page. You know, you want to stand out since you are going to be promoting to other business opportunity seekers, and you never know who already is promoting your offer, right? So you do want to stand out. So anyway, you got two different options. You have a $1 offer, or you have a 6-month, save 40%. Everybody likes to save for $34.90. I suggest you get in where you fit in. You know, always try the dollar. You know, I went in and got both, but it's up to you. You also get some bonuses here, and these are free bonuses, right? You get here, you get a free done for you funnel, you get books, how to get easy hands for your income, traffic booster, mailing your list maximizer, and there's and then 3 other, which is top 10 list building fails, beginner super affiliate edge, and the super marketing magnet. Now these also can be used as content for posts, video topics and stuff like that. So use this material, not only consume this material, you know, and use it to build your business, but also just use it to create content, right? Content is king, right? The more content you put out, the more clicks you can get, and clicks turn into signups, and signups turn into commissions, right? So all of that value is $2,800. Here's some proofs of people getting earnings and making. Here goes Steven. What up, Steven? Derek, what's up? We got Ed Hudson in the house, Pamela, Rigo, you know, Stephanie and Richard. And those are all just different success of people who are in our private Facebook group who are crushing it, promoting this opportunity. Like I said, you could do this too, right? If we could do it, you can do it in as simple as 3 simple steps where you submit your link and receive traffic. You also get a sales funnel, right? And you can just start promoting your business. So anyway, again, $1 7-day trial, or there's a 6-month option. And, you know, I would try it definitely for $1. Let's not make any excuses, right? Right? Autopilot traffic, autopilot commissions. You cannot beat that. So what I want to do real quick is I want to jump into my Warrior Plus account and show you just the update stats here. Let me see if I can get this whole screen in my view here, because I don't want you to think that I am trying to pull the wool over nobody's eyes, right? So here's my Warrior Plus account. Let's move this here. Let's go log in. Just so you can see that this is real. It ain't no bull, right? It's no BS. All right, so here we go. Here's my Warrior Plus account. As you can see, I haven't logged in for a long time because I work a lot, right? So I got 23 notifications. Let's go to my dashboard and see what we got. So right now, I got 0 commissions today. Yesterday, I had $9.83 because there is a recurring commission aspect to the Traffic Blaster Pro, which I'm going to show you. 7 days ago, this is the total, and here's my total for the last 30 days, right? So that's not counting, you know, anything after the 28th, right, is 30 days. So what I want to do is I want to show you this. So this one on the 30th, I have a 43-cent sale, but I have a $9.40 recurring commission. The 29th, I had a sale of $11.52. 43 cent, voila. I had another 43-cent sale, but I had a $42.72 recurring commission. This is actually from something else I got to get a commission on, so we won't count that, all right? So all is fair, right? I won't count that. So anyway, here's my number of subscribers to the -1, I want to say. I have 51 subscribers who are currently in the Traffic Blaster Pro. And right now with 51 subscribers, potentially this month I made $177 off of recurring commissions, right? Which is sweet, right? So anyway, so this is like my totals here. What I want to do is I want to show you the transactions a little bit, just so I can show some proof of how I'm getting these sales and what you can do to copy me in order to start generating sales. So as you see, I'm scrolling down here. I have sales from YouTube, right? Facebook, YouTube. These are my sub IDs, right? This one is the DFY funnel. This is the funnel that you get from Traffic Blaster Pro that I ran traffic to, or that is getting traffic. So I got a sale from that system. I got a sale from Facebook. This is that don't count. That don't count. This is another Facebook sale. This is YouTube. This is Facebook. Here's another DFY funnel. I got a $23 commission from the Traffic Blaster funnel. So if you're wondering if the Traffic Blaster funnel converts, yes, it does. And I can click this and I want to show you. So in all, I got 3 sales from the DFY Done For You funnel, which is given by Traffic Blaster. I got 3 sales. One on the 9th of March, one on the 21st, and one on the 27th of March, right? So that's how that works. Let's go back here. So those are those. Also, what I want to highlight here is that here's this month's balance here. Sales, these are the sales that I've generated, and here are the commissions that I've received for the last 30 days. And here on the side is it tells you where commissions will be released, that I'll get paid for those sales. And it shows you what this arrow means is that this is recurring payment number 2. So this is the second payment. This is the second month or whatever that this particular person has been using Traffic Blaster. So not only did I get 1 month's commission off of them, this is the second month's commission. So this is the recurring commissions that I'm talking about here, right? So like this right here, just for reference, this is a different opportunity. I've been making commissions off of this one opportunity here for 8 months already. So you see how you can make recurring commissions off a Warrior Plus product. And not all Warrior Plus products are good, but there are some good ones out here. And I only mess with those, right? So these green dots here means these payments have been released. So this is what I've already been paid for. As you can see, the list goes on. YouTube is my biggest generator of commissions, just so you know. So I made a total of like 3 or 4 videos. They run on autopilot and I get clicks anytime someone looks up Traffic Blaster Pro. People are interested in it and people go look for it. And just the way that I was able to do that is, as soon as I heard about the opportunity of Traffic Blaster, I quickly made a video. The very first day I heard about it, I made a video about Traffic Blaster Pro. And at that particular time, no one else had made a video. So launch jacking, right? That's just what happens, right? That's why content, that's why you need to keep your ear on the street. When you hear something good, just get out there and make content on it, and it really pays off. So the first video that I ever made is still generating me commissions, right? So that's just a nugget there, right? So anyway, more YouTube commissions, the more done for you funnel commissions. Like I showed you before, there's only a total of 3. Facebook, here's a mysterious commission. I did get a commission from My Lead Gen Secret. So if you ever wonder if My Lead Gen Secret works, here's a one-time commission from My Lead Gen Secret that popped up in there. So everything else, as you can see, is from Traffic Blaster Pro and YouTube. Here's a shotgun bridge page that I made that got me a sale, right? Everything else you see is from YouTube, right? YouTube has been my biggest source of commissions, right? So anyway, that's proof. Now, what I want to show you here is I want to show you the wallet. I want to show you my account real quick. I want to show you something. Let me show you something. So if I go to here and click my account summary, I want to show you that this is what I realized is that I had 117 sales. Now, I don't really promote Warrior Plus until this offer. As you can see, I've been in here since 2019. I've only ever promoted what you're seeing on my sales, right? So I got 117 sales, only 1 refund. Now, that should show you that Traffic Blaster Pro is legit, right? And I only promote Warrior Plus offers that I feel are worthy. So I don't have a lot of refunds, right? Because I'm not out here promoting everything on Warrior Plus. Here's my total available of what I've been paid or what I can withdraw. Here is my pending balance, which I'm able to get here in 7 days. Now I want to say something real quick, that it started at 30 days, but the more commissions and the more sales you're starting to get without refunds, they lower your funds availability time. I went from 30 days to 15 days, and now I'm at 7 days because I'm promoting a product that is actually good, right? Right? Okay, so that's just a hint. Also, the more sales you get, the more this ranking score goes up, and that allows you to easily be approved for different Warrior Plus offers. So not all Warrior Plus offers are created equal, and Traffic Blaster Pro is definitely one on my top list that I would suggest you promote, right? And I've seen now, and this is good too, I've got a top 25 affiliate badge. I've never had that in my life. Woo-hoo, right? I've also, if these numbers mean anything, which they do to me, because knowing where I came from, I'm a part-time marketer, only doing this what I can. So anyway, let's jump over to the wallet so I can continue to show you. Here's my wallet. Here's my current balance of $832.37. So this is what I've made so far. This is what I have pending. And here are my pending payments here. As you can see, here's my summary my total balance of Warrior Plus ever, right? And yes, I have purchased 2 products from here. And I can always withdraw the funds by clicking withdraw, tell them, so I want to withdraw all $832. But my goal is to allow it to accumulate to 1,000 and then do a video and create content, do a video and show I hit $1,000 promoting this opportunity, right? And, so you can always withdraw it. But anyway, that's what I wanted to do. I just wanted to show you a little bit about that offer, how that works, how the commission works. And as you can see, this offer generates commissions by itself. It generates recurring commissions, as you can see, right? Recurring commission. I have subscribers that I'm going to get at least this month, $177. And that's really what you want. Not only does the opportunity promote your business, promote your offers, but also you can use it as a way to start generating commissions for you. We didn't really touch on how to generate traffic using it, but as a business, you can make money, make commissions from this Warrior Plus opportunity, which is called the Traffic Blaster Pro, right? Which is an awesome system. I highly recommend it. Give it a try. $1, 7 days. Well, anyway, that's all that I got. I tried to make this quicker than 16 minutes, but I failed again because my mouth keeps running. But anyway, all the links will be in the description box below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments box below. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.